Hi, this is Bettye Burnett, and welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making some cheeseburgers. And here is the meat that I'm going to be using, the ground beef, which is 80-20. And I have some butter. I have onions, ketchup, mayo, and mustard. And I have my buns and cheese here. So let's get started. I'm going to melt the butter so I can toast my buns for the cheeseburger. I'm going to move the butter around in the pan so it can melt. And then I'm going to add my buns to the pan. I'm just gonna do 2 buns at one time because it's a small skillet. All of the buns are toasted and they are just waiting on the meat, so let me start on the ground beef. I'm turning the skillet down to 275 so I can cook the hamburgers. Just a little lower on medium-low heat. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper to the burgers. Add the pepper to the burgers. And some salt on the other side. And some pepper. I just added some mayo to the buns. I'm going to go ahead and make the buns ready so that when the hamburgers come out, all I have to do is add the hamburger to it. I added some mustard to the bun. I added some ketchup to the bun. This is a cheeseburger with all of the condiments on it. It's melting. It looks really good. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. Bye-bye.